Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to download contract notes from bot on the Ant web trading platform. So a contract note is basically an official receipt for a trade. It provides necessary information such as the type of transaction, the number of shares involved, their buying and selling price, the total value of the transaction, and any other applicable fees or charges. So after logging in, navigate to App, then Bot. You will reach this dashboard. From here, Reports, Download, and there it is. Keep in mind that this is a receipt, so you can only download it on the day you traded a stock. Any other day and it will show an error like this one. Now if you don't remember the day you bought or sold a stock, go over to Report again, but this time click on P&L. And here's the day you traded a stock. May 5th in this case. So now that we have the date, let's go back and keep the date as 5th May this time. Click on download and a zip file will be downloaded. The password is your PAN in capital letters. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.